Ashik. I am course coordinator of business accounting, that is BBA 102. Business accounting is a 4 credit course subject which is running in semester 1. These are some of the basic course objectives, that is to gain an understanding of principles of financial accounting, to gain insight into the concepts and calculation of financial accounting, to analyze the managerial issues and problems arising in preparation of income and position statement. Now we will discuss some of the course outcomes which are as follows. That is, CO1 is differentiate between various branches of accounting and discuss the principles and concepts of accounting and bookkeeping. CO2 is record the transactions in journal and daybooks and apply rules of debit and credit. CO3 is to classify and prepare various types of accounts and summarize them into trial balance. CO4 is define and list various kinds of reserves and provisions and discuss their role in accounting. CO5 is to apply accounting rules in determining financial results and preparation of financial statements. Now we will discuss about the contents of our LMS. Our LMS has 4 quadrants which are as under. In quadrant 1, which contains e-tutorials, it includes introductory video of the course content and audio on each unit of the syllabi. Quadrant 2, which contains e-content, is of self-instruction material, which is e-books, web resources, research papers and journals and other reference material. Quadrant 3, it is the discussion forum for raising of doubts and clarifying them on a near real-time basis. Different topics on emerging issues will be uploaded from time to time and students will participate in discussions. Quadrant 4 relates to the assessment, which contains multiple choice questions, short answer questions, long answer questions. All the above have been uploaded unit-wise at LMS. Now we will discuss about the relevance of the course. Why financial accounting is important? Financial accounting is important for businesses because it helps them keep track of their financial transactions. In turn, they can make sound decisions on how to allocate their resources. In addition, financial accounting helps you communicate your business finances to the outside parties such as creditors and investors. The financial statement generated provide all the necessary information to other parties, which will either encourage or discourage them from partnering with your business. The primary purpose of the financial accounting or business accounting is to document and record financial transactions, which is referred to as bookkeeping. In accounting terms, financial accounting is used by small businesses owners to document all of their company's commercial activities in the accounting ledger. All financial transactions are recorded using double entries in financial accounting. As a result, every accounting procedure has 2 sides, being a creditor or being a debtor. Financial accounting is vital for business owners since it gives them insight, allowing them to describe their jobs and make appropriate decisions. The objective of the financial accounting is to look after internal users and to form the financial departments as well as those persons whose job are dependent on issuing profits by shares. This financial data may be used by business owners to discover employee deficiencies and capabilities, and it can also be used to award employees of their productivity. Financial accounting aids commercial company owners in communicating accounting information to external parties, who includes both personal and the enterprise that do business with them but are not part of their operations and are referred to as external audience of financial data. The ultimate outcome of the financial accounting activities are shown with the help of the financial statement to the suppliers and the banks. Most businesses prepare quarterly and yearly financial statements, which they make available to investors and shareholders. In the business sector, there are four fundamental financial statements that are used to represent a company's financial performance. Now we will discuss some of the pedagogical processes which we use while teaching in classes. Some of those tools are live classes, assignments, quizzes, FAQs, and clarification on general misconceptions, financial activities, master classes, lectures by industry, expert and professional, and case studies, etc. Now we will discuss about some of the books that student must read for the successful completion of this course. Those textbooks are, very first is the Introduction to the Accounting by T.S. Garewal, which is published by S. Chand and Company. The second one is the Advanced Accounting by S. N. Maheshwari. Some of more suggested readings are Advanced Accountancy by Shukla and Shukla. Again, the publisher is the S. Chand and Company. Then Financial Accounting by Shah, published by the Oxford Press. And next one is the Financial Accounting Needles, that is by Powar, that is from Cengage Learnings. Thank you. Best of luck for your program.